Ow! Ow!
Hey everybody, welcome to the channel RV'n and ATV'n, and I'm Dave. And today in this video, I'm going to install these magnets on here to eliminate these latches. Now we all know that these latches usually get broke off, sometimes just don't hold, like this one sticks and the door will fall, and that's never good, just kind of a pain in the butt. But what I'm going to do, instead of drilling holes, I'm a little leery about drilling a hole in here. I'm going to go ahead and use double-sided Gorilla Tape to put these on here and see if that holds. So there might be a second video in the future doing screws. So let me show you what we're going to need to use here. So pretty much what I'm going to do is I've got double-sided Gorilla Tape. I got the magnets, which I ordered off of Amazon, and I'll put the links down below. And a pair of scissors, because I'm going to go ahead and try to cut the tape to form that right there so it's perfect. So let's get going. So what you want to do is really want to push that tape on there, hold it, apply some pressure. It takes a little bit for it to bond. Take your scissors, trim around it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and clean this. I've already cleaned it a little bit. I'm going to take some alcohol and clean the area. Also, you're going to need a tape measure, something to mark with. So we're going to measure the center of the door. We got to find center-ish. Just put, since I'm using the silver Sharpie, I'm just going to put a little mark. And we're going to measure, find out where center is up here. And just put a little mark so we have an idea where we're going. Alright, let's peel off the backing. And we're going to go ahead and get close to center. It's probably good enough. I want to make sure I got the name that way because my OCD. I'm just going to put it on there. I'm going to hold that for a little while. Make sure it bonds. Just really apply some pressure on there. That's on there really good. Alright, so there's one done. Okay, here we go, number two up on the side of the camper. Peel that off. Got our marking up here. Let's hope that we're close. Alrighty. That's on there pretty good. Now let's see how she holds. Oh yeah. Now let's see if the tape holds. Oh yeah. No drilling. Awesome. Now we'll see what happens once we get sun beaten down on it. If it still hold after that, but it's kind of a 60s day today. A little chilly, windy. You might be hearing that wind. I don't know. But yeah, pretty easy. And peasy, and no drilling. Alright, this is RV'n and ATV'n, and I'm Dave. Hope this helps you out. Have a good day.